I have Linda Madeira here who organised this entire event that happened here behind us. Linda, welcome. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
So tell us a bit more about this event that just took place.
Well, this event is part of a global project called One Day, One Choir. And the initiative was started by a woman named Jane Hansen, who sings with the London Philharmonic Orchestra. And her idea was to commemorate Peace Day, which is the 21st of September.
How did you become a director of this choir?
Well, I direct the Dingle Gospel Choir. And so when I was presented with this idea, I contacted all of the directors of the other singing groups and choirs and asked them if they wanted to participate and let their choir members know. And so they did, and so we had the turnout that we did.
I'm here with Deirdre Ní Ghrifín. She is another one of the participants that took part in this evening's event. Deirdre, consato.
Páirteach in Daingean.
Gurmila. What choir? Can you tell us a small bit about this evening's event, first of all?
Well, it was organised by Linda, who is the gospel choir leader here in Dingle. And what she wanted was to get singers from all the local choirs together to celebrate World Peace Day, to sing together here, just to make people aware of the World Peace Day, which is next week really, but we're doing it tonight to accommodate people.
And how often do you rehearse yourselves?
Well, St Mary's Choir, we rehearse every Tuesday night from about September until May, and we sing every Sunday morning at 11:30 Mass in St Mary's, and we just we do concerts here and there as well, you know, whatever
so
comes up.
If you'd like people to take part, how would they go about? Or how
they can join us in the presbytery in St Mary's Church Presbytery next door to the church every Tuesday night at 8:15. More than welcome. Report-Cór, as they say.
Gurmila machad das kaintlam. Gurmila. Deirdre, bunch of tanavasishin.
Funimmer Anna Hanavas.
Yeah. Bunch of tanavasishin. Amalat chanadh. Ja. And what fish for us or fun? Nach even on chanadh global.
Fish Deirdre I Gart agus an or ve garoniacht agus Tháinig na chóir Labhair sa Daingean le chéile agus bhí an ócáid I gcuin World Peace Day begur siúil de lún Síocháin.
The three songs are relevant to peace, especially the peace Salam Shalom, as we know, with the problems in the Middle East, and the peace Síocháin, which is the Irish word for peace. I thought I'd throw that in as well, because, well, we are in Ireland, and because Ireland has had its troubles as well.
Where do you see yourself going in the future? Do you have future plans, or?
Yes, I would like to do this annual. Well, this particular singing event will be done annually, up to 2018. But beyond 2018, I'd like to do Peace Day events, maybe organize a festival or something like that for Peace Day. With singing and other things too.
How do they go about joining the choir?
Well, this particular event is once a year, so they can just come the day before and rehearse with us, or come on the day and sing. But we do have the Dingle Gospel Choir, who needs men in particular. So if you want to come and join us, we practice on Tuesdays from 7 to about 8 in the D-shirt.
And is that weekly?
Yes, every week, and we'll start up again in October. So that's gospel choir, you know, like traditional black gospel. It's really moving and inspiring, and it's great therapy.
Perfect. Gurmila, thank you very much. Thank you.